Howdy folks, my name is Jon Addison. I'm a member of the Suncoast Center for Fine Scale Modeling, and today we're going to talk about how to pour magic water. And this stuff is really great stuff. It never yellows, it stays consistently clear, and I'm going to show you how to do it. As you see, we've got a canal here at the Suncoast Model Railroad Club. There's an old junk car in there. And then if you come down the canal here a little bit, you'll see some other stuff we've got right here. We've got a bunch of limbs and stuff like that in there. And then down here we've got an old rowboat. And then down here we've got a guy fishing in the water at one of the little dams we made. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to go mix the magic water. I'm going to use a digital scale, make sure I get the 2-to-1 ratio right. And I'm going to mix it vigorously for 10 minutes, and then we're going to come back and I'm going to pour it and show you how it's done. Okay folks, I've got the resin all mixed. I spent 10 minutes stirring it vigorously, and now we're going to show you exactly how we pour the second pour in this canal. I'm going to start right over here, pull the stick out. Now, the stick is designed to control where the resin goes. And now I'm going to start pouring the resin down here. I'm going to move it down as we go. And important to have everything glued down pretty good when you do this, so that you don't have problems later on with things moving where you don't want them to be, of course. And we're going to go all the way down the canal. We're going to get down here by the bridge. Again, the stick will help you control where the resin goes, and that's real important. Just like so. Alright, now I'm going to come on the other side of the bridge. I'm going to let the stick drip off a little bit here. And then all at once I'm going to jump over here. And now I'm going to pour on this side. Okay? Just like that. And of course, just like water, it'll find its natural level. Now, there'll probably end up being about 4 pours in this part right here. I can see that right now. And then we may come back with some crystal clear caulk and make the water look like it's moving and stuff like that. That's a great product to do. Now we're going to come back down here, and we're going to go on this part. The same thing, I'm going to be pouring it just like so. Now always remember, when you do this, do not, when you run out of resin coming out of your cup, do not try to scrape the insides of the cup. That is a no-no, because that resin is not properly mixed, and it will not set up right if you do that. So that's important. Very important to do that. We'll put a little bit back here, back it up a little bit, and we get a little bit up in here. This will help make don't have much left here. I'm going to put a little bit here. Okay, and that will seek, just like water, seek the lowest point and level out there. The nice thing about this product also is it does not seem to have many bubbles in it, so you don't have to worry about getting the bubbles out. They seem to naturally come out. Okay folks, that concludes our clinic.